Hello, Twitch. I am A.M. Grabelny. I'm a senior solutions architect here at AWS, and I'm joined by one of our new data heroes. It's a new category that we just added for our community heroes. Guillermo, you're one of our data heroes. You want to tell us a little bit about the program, and then I know you want to talk about Handshake, which I'm really excited to talk about too, and I'm even more excited to talk about your organization, 757 Colorcoded too. So don't let me forget any of these things. We have to talk through a lot of stuff in 5 minutes. But tell us about the Data Heroes program. What are you most excited about?
I'm most excited about getting to learn about new services when they come out, being able to share my expertise and my knowledge with folks in the AWS community as well. So new opportunities.
Yeah. I think the Community Heroes program is one of my personal favorites too, and I've spent a lot of time with the serverless heroes. I'm so excited to see a Data Heroes category. I think that's a huge space. You want to tell us a little bit about what you do at Handshake and what Handshake is? What kind of company is it, and what do you all do?
Sure. So Handshake is the leading career network for college students. Its aim is to democratize opportunity for students regardless of where they go to school or who they know. I am an engineering manager there. I run the university engineering team. So we're focused on building features and making the experience for universities great. I've been there for just about 3 months. So yeah, I love working there, and it's been great so far.
That's great. And so you founded 757 Colorcoded, right? Tell us what that is and why you founded it.
Sure. So 757 is the area code for the area that I live in right now. I live in Virginia. It's by Chesapeake, Virginia Beach, Norfolk, and a couple other cities. Color-coded, 757 Color-coded aims to empower people of color in that area to achieve careers in technology and ultimately improve their lives. And so through that organization, I put on workshops and sessions, partner with other groups in the area, other organizations to bring training to people in the area.
That's amazing. I mean, there's a huge lack of diversity in tech, as we all know, right? And can you tell us maybe what was the last event that you all ran for 757?
Actually, I wasn't here. I wasn't there for it, but it was, what's today? Wednesday? It was Monday night. We have an event called 3 Cs. It's create, code, or chat. And people can just come out to the event and build something together or just talk to each other. One of the things that we really want to do in the group is create a space for people that are already in tech, people of color that are already in tech, to kind of talk about their experiences and just share with each other. So
that's incredible. I mean, sorely needed, right? So that's great. I have to ask, since you're based in Virginia, favorite AWS region, US East 1?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah, of course.
This is a hotly debated thing, US East 1 or US West 2. I mean, I think EU 1, I mean, EU Central 1, EU West 1. People, you laugh. People get serious about this. So US East 1 for that. We can mark you down.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about maybe, I know you haven't been at Handshake for very long so far, but maybe in your past roles, since you are a data hero, what are some of the AWS services that you really have dived deep on, that you rely on, that really enable you to work with big data?
Sure. So obviously S3. If you're building like a data lake, or designing a data lake, got to use S3. I'm a big fan of DynamoDB myself. I've used it on my personal projects, and I love that I haven't had to pay for it in all the years that I've been using it. I'm a big fan in general of anything that's fully managed. So Glue and Athena I've used a lot as well. Yeah, so those are some of the services I'm a big fan of.
Okay, so Dynamo, I'm going to have to ask you, global secondary indexes, are you for or against?
I'm for those, yeah, absolutely.
Okay, you'll drop a GSI. Okay, that's cool. Some people, if you go watch Rick Houlihan, I'm sure you know Rick.
Yes.
He's a wizard, right? And he does some very interesting things with Dynamo. So I always like to ask, GSIs, are you okay? What about local secondary indexes?
Not so much for me. Okay. Yeah.
See, I mean, these are the intricacies when you get into Dynamo, right? All right. So any last parting words? Anything that you'd like to tell? Maybe how do I get started with 757?
If you're in the area, if you're in southeastern Virginia and you're looking to meet people of color, just come on out to one of our events. We're on Meetup. We've also got a site, 757colorcoded.org. You can find out what we're up to, what other organizations we're working with. We're actually going to be trying to do like a certification program next year. So yeah, a lot of great stuff happening.
Thank you so much, Guillermo, for joining us. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Cool. Thanks. We'll be back in just a moment.